Are you trying to update QuickBooks but keep getting error 15103? Don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through the exact steps to fix this QuickBooks update error and get your software running smoothly again. What is QuickBooks Error 15103? QuickBooks Error 15103 usually pops up when you're trying to update QuickBooks Desktop or Payroll. It means the update process can't finish, often due to network issues, damaged files, or blocked connections. Why does it happen? Here are some common causes: corrupted or incomplete update files, incorrect Internet Explorer settings, firewall or antivirus blocking, QuickBooks limited user permissions, poor internet connection. How to fix error 15103, step by step. Step 1. Verify the digital signature. Go to C. Program. Files, Intuit, QuickBooks. Right-click on QBW32.exe, Properties, Digital Signatures, select Intuit Inc. View Certificate, Install Certificate. Step 2. Run QuickBooks as administrator. Right-click the QuickBooks icon. Run as administrator. Try updating again. Step 3. Check Internet Explorer settings. Open Internet Explorer. Tools. Internet Options. Security tab. Ensure settings are set to default. Step 4. Use QuickBooks Tool Hub. Download it from Intuit's official site. Go to Program Problems. Select Quick Fix My Program. Step 5. Do a clean install of QuickBooks. Uninstall QuickBooks. Use the Clean Install tool from Intuit to reinstall it properly. Step 6. Update Windows and drivers. Go to Settings. Windows Update. Also check for driver updates, especially network and system drivers. Step 7. Check your firewall and antivirus. Temporarily disable them and try updating again. If they're the cause, add QuickBooks to the exceptions list. Step 8. Reset the QuickBooks update. Open QuickBooks, Help, Update, QuickBooks Desktop. Check Reset Update. Click Get Updates. Step 9. Reboot your computer. A simple restart can fix temporary glitches. That's it. You've just learned how to fix QuickBooks Error 15103 step by step. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more QuickBooks help.